Hey everyone, I'm Jatin Verma. Hope you guys are doing fine. So guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about my upcoming Indian Polity and Governance course for Prelims 2020. This course is a part of Target 2020 series by me, Jatin Verma, which I'm going to start here on this YouTube channel as well as on Unacademy and Unacademy Plus. So in this series, I'm going to cover Indian polity and governance, Indian economy, ethics, integrity and aptitude, essay and answer writing course on Unacademy Plus. And regarding this Indian polity and governance course, will cover the important judgments of the Supreme Court, basic aspects of Indian polity as they are covered in M. Lakshmikant book, the facts of Indian polity as are covered by D.D. Basu, M. Lakshmikant or Subhash Kashyap. Alongside, I am going to cover the monthly current affairs till the duration of this course. Whatever current affairs we will see regarding Indian polity in the newspaper, all those current affairs will also be covered alongside the relevant topic of the Indian polity, the static topic. As you all must be knowing that Indian polity and governance, meaning that text of the constitution means the polity and the governance part, that means the context as it appears in the newspaper. Both these aspects need to be covered in order for us to tackle the Indian polity questions with ease in both prelims as well as mains. So I'm going to take care of both these aspects, the factual aspect of it as well as the current affairs aspect of it, as it is covered in the editorials of Indian Express, The Hindu newspaper, Times of India and other sources of current affairs, be it PIB and other sources of information for us. So you guys can consider applying for this course on Unacademy Plus. This course is available along with my other courses if you purchase Unacademy Plus subscription for 1 quarter, for half year or for 1 year. While applying for this course, you guys can consider availing of 10% discount by using this code Jatin Verma 71. You will get 10% discount while paying the fee itself, and you can also access my Indian economy course, this weekly current affairs course, weekly The Hindu news analysis course that I'm going to start on Unacademy in the month of June itself. And in the course of this year, as I told you, this Target 2020 series will also cover ethics, integrity and aptitude course by me, international relations course by me, and your ethics, this GS mains paper 3, agricultural economy, cyber security. So all these courses I'm going to start on Unacademy Plus under this subscription model itself. You don't have to purchase my individual courses. What you have to do is you have to just purchase subscription for either a quarter or an year or a half year, and you will get all access to all these courses till the time your subscription continues. So you can access these courses by simply going for the Unacademy subscription. And the daily news analysis, the much wanted course, the one of the popular courses amongst the civil services exam aspirants, I'm going to start in the Hindi language here on this YouTube channel itself, and in the English language on a daily basis without a miss. I'm going to start this course on Unacademy the way it was done in the year 2017 as well as 2019. So this was all for reading the current affairs on a daily basis. For text-based current affairs, what you can do is you can visit my blog www.jatinverma.org, wherein you can find my current affairs magazine also for the month of April, May 2019 and June also. June magazine will also be made available as and when the June month will get over. So you can find the hard copy as well as soft copy of this magazine on my blog www.jatinverma.org. The link for Unacademy as well as for my blog is provided in the description box of this video itself. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.